Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix a replaced game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. First fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following all 4 steps, then check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. The first steps make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear replaced cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and click on See All. Look for replaced game and then highlight it. Then press menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it. Step 3 is to clear the persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray, click on Persistent Storage and then click on Clear Persistent Storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox console, then skip these steps. Step 4 is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to General, Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address and then click on Clear and then restart your console. Now after following all these 4 steps, now you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account and after adding your account, launch the replaced game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in General tab select Network Settings, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on Manual. Click on Select Port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Now restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check if it solves the problem or not. Fix 4 is to run the replaced game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type replaced in the search bar and then click on it. Then click on Launch Game and check. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the General tab select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, go to DNS Settings Manual. Now enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS and then save it and then relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then again relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to reinstall replaced game. Now if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall replaced game from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve replaced game crashing, crashes as a setup, not launching, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, or black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.